Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to show you guys a wonderful snack recipe. We're going to make these delicious and spongy banana pancakes. So let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I've taken 2 large ripe bananas. Just roughly cut them into pieces. To the mixer jar, next I'm adding 1 whole egg. For sweetness, I'm adding 150 grams of jaggery. This is roughly about 1 cup. So first we're going to blend all these ingredients together. So you can see it's blended to a lovely creamy texture. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of wheat flour, that is atta. This is a 250 ml cup measurement. So along with this, I'm going to add half cup of boiled and cooled milk. Now the batter for the pancakes is ready. Just transfer this to a bowl. Now to the batter I'm going to add just a pinch of salt and a pinch of cooking soda or baking soda. Just mix that in. If you feel the batter is too thick, you can just dilute it by adding a little milk to get the nice pouring consistency. Who is that one person who loves pancakes among your family or your friends? Let me know in the comment section. Heat a tawa, just add a little butter. Once the butter melts, add a ladle of the batter and let the batter spread by itself. Maintain the flame on medium. Close the pan and cook for a few minutes. Once you see the holes on the pancake and it's cooked on one side, you can gently flip it to the other side. Wow, just look at that beautiful rich golden brown color. Once the pancake is cooked on both sides, remove it from the pan and you can serve them nice and hot. Make all the pancakes in the same manner and you can enjoy them as is. This quick and easy to make instant banana pancakes makes for a wonderful evening snack. When kids are at home, they always crave for some nice snacks, and this is something that you can make for them. Wow, just look at the pancake. It's so soft and spongy. It's cooked beautifully. These are super easy and super delicious. Well, these are truly soft and spongy, and when made fresh, it's just so incredible. It's time to taste. Wow. The flavor of banana and of course the jaggery with that sweetness. It's so soft and spongy. It's very, very tasty. You can enjoy it anytime during the day. For breakfast or for an evening snack, kids will love this. Well, just eating this brings back a lot of memories. And with just simple ingredients like bananas, jaggery and eggs, you can whip up something really incredible. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.